Okay, here is my homework for week one. It's a little bit late because I was very confused about security measures. I had made the wrong token. So I fixed the token. I made a new one in my settings and I deleted the old one. And then I had saved everything to the wrong repository. But then I Googled how to change the repository. I changed the repository. I did a lot of Googling for how to fix things. So this doesn't have the first part of what I did when I like made the README because I had to start it again, right? But here I have the git push where I was trying to figure it out. I had deleted an extra file and I was trying to save those changes. And that's me trying to figure out the changes I was making and it wasn't working. It's a lot of me kind of trial and error and Googling things and redoing them. And then I had this fatal error and I again Googled what was going wrong there and um I had saved a commit somehow not on the main branch, but I hadn't made any other branches. But then once I did a pull to just main instead of trying to like add an additional branch, then it worked. So it was just that I only had one branch. And so I just had to figure out how to tell GitHub that. So once I did that, then it worked, but it took me a long time to figure out how to do that. These are all of me looking for how to do that. Oh, right. See, so I was still saying this. I think you're supposed to put the name of the branch there, right? In the brackets. So once where did I figure that out? I figured it out. Ah, here we go. This is where I figured that out. So I figured out how to um, take off the branch part here. And then I had a new file. I added the labs to the files because I couldn't figure out how to actually like add code. I'm not sure I did that the right way. But I did add the code and updated that. And then I did another push. Um, I had some more errors, but I wasn't committing before I was pushing. So I did that. And then I modified it and then I saved that here with the push. So it took me a while, but I figured it out. A few Google searches and I'm good to go. I think that's everything that you wanted. I'm going to double check in the video, I mean. Okay, it says you want to also see in the file. So see, I did the first one here, Git tutorial. And that was when I was still having security issues. So I did Git tutorial 2 and I did all my work in there. I have the README and then the Jamie file. And in the Jamie file, then I have the lab. Again, just because I wanted to figure out how to save code. And so then those are in here. That's misspelled, but it's in here. It's all there. And it looks like that's all you want in the video, so I'm going to stop the video. Sorry, it's so awkward. I've never recorded a meeting by myself before. I'm sure I'll get more used to it. Normally I'm in a meeting with someone else and there's feedback. Thank you. Have a good day.